Wow. Sydney, you sure gave a clear picture of what this impact would mean for early education for children and families. Good morning. My name is Wilma Keil. I'm Executive Director of Hoover Intergenerational Care. I'm also President of the South Central Training and Research Consortium. A work stoppage would be the end result of child care programs closing due to budget cuts. The lack of child care will affect the city's workforce. Can you imagine nurses not being available because of the lack of child care? It would impact law enforcement, teachers, bus drivers. I could go on and on. We strongly urge the governor not to reduce the general fund for child care. We urge the governor to maintain funding for healthy families. Without that program, we would have more children going to the emergency rooms for minor illnesses, which, you know, the emergency room visit is extremely expensive. We also urge the governor not to cut community care licensing. In operating a child care program, we really support having oversight by community care licensing. As a parent, you want to be assured your child is in a safe environment. Without monitoring by community care licensing, who knows what could happen behind closed doors. In addition to those two, specifically, the state parks. We live close to the Exposition Park. There are many parks in the Exposition area or in the Exposition Park that are affordable and some with no cost for families to attend. It is a valuable resource to our community. And with the economy the way it is, going to the parks is a wonderful way of releasing stress, I will say. Also, when we consider the tight economic times we're in, early care and education programs must maintain the current level of funding to ensure that our families can go to work, go to school, they can look for work, knowing that their children is not only in a safe environment, but a quality environment. Here at HIC, Hoover Intergenerational Care, we serve families who are working, looking for work, as well as those who are in school or engaged in training. As again, I serve as Executive Director here at HIC, Hoover Intergenerational Care. We've been providing subsidized child care for 32 years for this immediate community. And over the past years, 32 years, we serve over 80 families in the South Los Angeles area. Our services are essential to low-income parents. As I stated, they are working, they are engaged in training, they're going to school, they're looking for a job. So we are here to not only support the families, but also to support growth for children. Growth and development. Preparing the children for school success. Closing the achievement gap begins in preschool. Yes, childcare businesses are suffering in silence, not knowing their plight. On behalf of the childcare community, we urge the governor to pass a budget with consideration for continued services for children and families. Thank you.